Hello? The prop has just fallen off the aircraft. And stay by for the instructions.
768, Sydney Air Traffic Control Pad acknowledged. You happy to maintain 8,000 or you want further descent?
Further descent, thanks, Rex 768.
Rex 768, descend now to 6,000.
You said now 6,000, Rex 768.
Rex 768, plan to give you vectors now to the left for left circuit downwind, and I'll advise your runway.
Rex 768.
Rex 768, turn left heading of 010.
Left 010, Rex 768.
Cancel the lineup, hold position.
Hold position, corner 429.
Corner 429, I just had an emergency declared overhead, so I'll just keep you on the ground until that's sorted out.
Corner 429.
Some details again so we can get those down and we can pass that onwards to the tower and services.
And 768, yes, we've just had uncommanded engine operations and then our propeller has just sheared off. We've lost the propeller, we've got normal controls, still able to fly, would require 16 right and services on the ground, thanks. We should be able to conduct a precautionary landing, fine.
Rex 768, okay, that's all understood. You can expect 16 right for landing. There'll be further descent very shortly. I'll just hand you over in 1 minute to Director.
Rex 768.
Velocity 1151, turn, correction, velocity 1151. I'll take you overhead for a left circuit, landing 16 left, maintain 6,000.
Velocity 1151, understood. 16, right. Can we expect Yankee or Zulu for the approach, Cathay 101?
Cathay 101, we've got an aircraft with an emergency. There will be some delaying action before I can get to the runway 16 right. And maintain 10,000. I'll give you the vector shortly for the delaying action.
Roger, we'll maintain 10,000. Can we slow down, Cathay 101?
Cathay 101, A firm, you can reduce speed to minimum clean speed.
Cathay 101.
38, wind 180 degrees, 26 knots, runway 16 right, cleared land.
Clear land 16 right, corner 38. 0, Cathay 101.
Velocity 833, how are you looking with respect to that pan aircraft?
Velocity 833, it's no problem for you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
10,000.
Maintain 10,000, Cathay 101.
Cathay 101, there for us to be a runway inspection after this aircraft lands. It's a turboprop that lost a propeller approaching Sydney, so he's still on downwards at the moment trying to sort things out, but landing your runway, they'll probably need a runway inspection.
Okay, copy, Cathay 101. Just up 50.
Just up 50, to reduce minimum clean speed and due pan traffic ahead, you may possibly be repositioned for 16 left.
Okay, minimum speed and copy 7, just up 50.
So, just a couple more minutes, sir.
Okay.
Possible reposition for runway 16 left due emergency traffic ahead.
Confirm for Q-Link 472 Delta. Cathay 101. And so is there any instructions for vacating or just vacate as normal?
Just a normal vacating point.
Copy.
And Q-Link 472 Delta, are you happy runway 16 left?
Negative, Q-Link 472 Delta, we need, 16 right.
Q-Link 472 Delta, there is pan traffic ahead that will be landing on 16 right. There will be a delay for 16 right, obviously due a runway inspection after. So the earliest that we can get you in will be 16 left. Otherwise, I can't give you an exact time in the 16 right.
Okay, Q-Link 472 Delta, just confirm there's further pan traffic ahead of us.
Q-Link 472 Delta, 8 firm. There is pan traffic on a 20-mile inbound for 16 right. And that's the first takeoff to land 16 right.
That's right, Q-Link 472 Delta, we're just a bit confused here. We are the aircraft with a pan, a medical emergency. Confirm you want us on 16 left?
Q-Link 472 Delta, no, we have 2 aircraft, pan. You are a medical, a pan aircraft ahead of you That is landing 16 right, 1 engine shutdown.
Feeling 472 Delta, roger that. 16 left, accepted, thanks.
Quebec 472, okay, thank you. Landing runway now 16 left.
Quebec 472 Delta, thanks.
Car 3 tower, stand by.
Heading 4.
508, contact director 126, decimal 1.
126 decimal 1, Desktop 508.
Western 21, landing runway will be now 16 left, Japan, traffic ahead.
Copy runway 16 left, Wisdom 21.
Wisdom 21, reduce your speed now to 220 knots.
Reduce to 220 knots, Wisdom 21.
Kilo 472 Delta, you can expect vectors for a left circuit, landing 16 left, continue heading.
Heading 472 Delta, descent to 6,000 feet.
Descent 6,000, Kilo 472 Delta. 6 right, clear to land, plus 1531.
Police, just a Bravo 1 holding short, runway 16 right.
Car 3 incoming, thank you. Corner 63, thanks for your help, sir. Corner departures.
Departure to corner 63, no problem. Cheers.
Delta 101, the aircraft in question's probably still about 7-8 minutes from touchdown now across the runway inspection, so the delay might be up to 10 to 15 minutes at this point.
Okay, yeah, that's fine for us. We're checking 16 left as well, Cathay 101.
Delta 101, roger, and hold on the 16 right localizer at 25 miles from TSAT in a 2-minute left-hand pattern and maintain 10,000.
So hold localizer 16 left, 25 miles, a 10-minute left-hand pattern, Cathay 101.
That's a 2-minute left-hand pattern.
Heading 472 Delta, connect direct 126 decimal 1. Heading 472 Delta, connect direct 126 decimal 1.
Director 1261, Kilo 472 Delta.
Target RX 768.
Rex 768, Sydney Tower, Pan acknowledged. Rex 768, are you able to give your intentions, sir? Do you intend to stop on the runway, or will you be able to vacate? And if so, which taxiway do you intend to vacate?
At this stage, we're going to stop on the runway. We're just going to assess, and then we'll try and see if we can just make the crossing, just depending on how we land.
Rex 768, copied. All stations, the next aircraft to land is the Saab 340, and that has the PAN, and approximately a 2-mile final.
Cathay 101, from this turn we intercept the localizer 16 right and start the approach descent to 6,000.
Intercept localizer 16 right, descent out to 6,000, Cathay 101.
Sender 4, expect that.
Approach for Explosive
Car 3 and company at Bravo 1 and to runway 16 France.
Bravo 1, into Bravo 1,
And 4 and at Foxtrot and to runway 16 France.
RX 80 on the hot speed.
Rex 768, thanks. And we need to stop just outside the runway, or will we be able to continue taxiing?
I'm going to continue taxiing RX 768.
Rex 768, taxi left onto Bravo, and you're happy to contact ground?
Yes, on Bravo, FM RX 768.
And Sydney Tower, Sender 4 has exited the runway and now it's started.
Sender 4, thank you, and contact ground 121.7.
Sender 4 going over.
Tower Car 3 Company, vacated runway 16 right, nothing further runway serviceable.
Car 3 and company, thank you very much.
Sydney Tower, Kilo 472 Delta.
Kilo 472 Delta, Sydney Tower, and copied the medical on board.
Kilo 472 Delta, thanks.